All right, folks, so I parked in this neighborhood because I met this really nice guy, and he let me park in the front of his house. I was kind of hesitant on parking anywhere out here because I'm kind of in the backcountry of California, where some places you're not just allowed to park. So I was driving in circles in this neighborhood, and this guy was outside. I said, "Hey man, is there a chance I could park in front of your house?" He's like, "Yes, park right here." So I was like, "Thank you very much." All right guys, we have a tractor and 3 vehicles to film today. I'm not sure if the 3 vehicles are going to be there, but I'm sure the tractor is. And I'm not sure we're going to be able to fly the drone at the end of the video because I keep seeing a helicopter come up and down like it's doing test landing or something out here in this canyon. So the drone app on my phone might not even let us put the drone in the air. Let's see what happens here. Holy cow, guys. Whew. We didn't have to look far to find a vehicle. We just got to the hiking trail. And there's a brand new Chevy sitting here. Wow. Unreal. This truck doesn't look old at all. Oh, it's a Toyota. That's a Chevy. It's a brand new Tundra. I'm gonna take a picture of the VIN and send it to my friend, see what he says. Man, this is crazy. This thing is stripped. I mean, there's nothing on this vehicle. The suspension's gone, the interior's gone, the engine's gone, the transmission's gone, tailgate's gone, everything's gone. Unbelievable. Let's keep rolling, guys. We have an exciting day ahead of us, should I say. Now look how steep this trail is. I'm not hiking up that. That's probably for, I'm guessing, dirt bikes. I'm not really sure. I'm just going to put this out there that these cars are no secret out here that are crashed, abandoned. There's footprints and trails everywhere. I'm looking while I hike. It's the #1 thing I like to do. And here comes this helicopter. There's a helicopter over there. You guys probably can't hear it or see it, but I could hear it from where I'm at. I love this area because it's really rocky. See all these rocks? Really, really cool. I usually don't wear sunglasses, but today I'm wearing them, guys. Today I put them on. beautiful, beautiful day up here. Today's March 20th, 2025. No smog. It's absolutely just beautiful. I can't believe it. If we're able to get the drone in the air today, it's going to be stunning. It's going to be amazing. Zero smog. You can see forever out here. It's beautiful. Stay with me. All right, folks. Here's a dead rabbit. There's something here. We can either go straight to the left or to the right. Right now is the time to double check the GPS. Stay with me. And we stayed to the left, so yeah, there's a lot of really cool looking birds out here. Little tiny ones that are flying in and out of the bushes and stuff. There's also a lot of trash out here, so you know, people come up here and total their vehicles and just leave them. I usually like filming cars that are crashed off cliffs, but I can't travel far right now because I'm working a lot. So I did a half day this morning at work, and here I am. I'm here to film this. Sounds like we're getting closer and closer to this helicopter. Maybe it landed up here, I don't know, but I could hear it. I see some vehicles. Let's go take a closer look. All right, folks, I don't know what I'm walking up on, but to me, it looks like a shooting range. I mean, these cars are riddled with holes. I don't know, you could actually shoot guns up here. It's actually, I don't know, I didn't know that. Guys, it's snake season, but I got the 17-inch snake boots on, so I'm still watching my step, but all right, guys, we have a Honda Civic, and we have two pieces of a vehicle here, and I've never in my life seen a car with so many bullet holes. Oh my God. Wow. Just wow. Oh, here comes that helicopter, look. Not sure if you can see it. Maybe I'll walk over there. We'll take a little break from this car filming and go see what this helicopter's doing. It's just like hovering around. It says Cal Fire on the side, so that's the fire department. They might be doing some observations out here to see. Sorry guys, the camera shut off, but Yeah, they're just, actually they're lowering down a basket. Actually, they're lowering down a person on a rope. I think they're doing some training exercises out here. So let's get out of their way and let's keep on this car adventure that we're on. Yeah, it's possible doing some training exercises. Let's go back to these cars and take a closer look and see if we can find more information about them. Stay with me. I'm not even sure if I could tell a make on this. These are Ford Super Duty doors and a Ford Super Duty tailgate. And then there's a piece of another car here that we're probably never going to know what these cars are. Maybe this one. Well, of course, we have a Honda Civic out here, but this one, I'm not really sure. I was kind of thinking like Honda Civic hatchback or something, but what would have a marker right here? Or that might be a piece of the emblem. Engine's melted. Everything's melted on this car. I don't know. For you sitting at home, you're gonna have to figure it out if you're really interested in knowing. I just can't believe what I'm looking at. Never in my life have I seen so many bullet holes through a vehicle. Ever in my life. I'm gonna try to find a VIN number on this car, guys. Stay with me. I'm gonna turn the camera off for a while. All right, guys, so where the VIN number is gone. It's like they pried it out right here. You can see where the rivet pop right there. Looks like, I could be wrong. I don't know, it might even be a bullet hole for I know. But I don't see a VIN on this car. The doors are burned. I don't see no VIN in the door area. So I took a really good picture of it, so I'll post it up right now. Maybe I'll even take a picture of this engine. Stay with me. All right, folks, this vehicle here, I mean, it's a 4-lug. I just don't know what it is. Yeah, I mean, I just don't know. I don't know. Okay, let's jump to this vehicle. Honda Civic 4-door. Probably stolen. I'm not sure why someone would bring this car out here and dump it. It's got to be stolen. Plates are gone. These are good little cars, you know. They're easy to steal. They have these shaved down keys that people carry, these keys in their pocket that are shaved down that start these cars, from what I was told. Timing belt service sticker here. Engine gone, tranny's gone. There's a VIN on this car, guys, but I'm not going to show it. Maybe I'll show the VINs at the end of the video, but I'm just going to cross out the last 6. I don't like putting modern cars like this on the internet as you know, it's like a privacy thing. If they're really old, like something like this, yeah, I'll put the VIN number online. But something modern like this, I cross out the last 6 digits to protect the privacy of the previous owners. Sometimes, just depends. Sometimes I'll post them and sometimes I won't. But let's continue on this mission, guys. I'm gonna take another photo of this. Look how the bullets ripped through that door and came through this door. Wow, look at that bullet came right through there. Guys, I'm tripping out on this. Look at this Stanley thermos, this poor thermos. For those of you that thought Stanleys were bulletproof, well, actually not. Actually, they're double layer though, look at that. They have the outside and they have an inside layer that looks like it's almost brass or bronze or something. Shout out to Stanley, man. Got some pretty solid thermoses there. All right, guys, I spot a vehicle up here on the top of this hill. Let's go see what that is. And I think that's it for now. And then we're gonna hike to this, some type of heavy equipment that's up in this canyon. And according to the guy I talked to this earlier today, he said it's not too tough of a hike. Shout out to that guy. Man, he seemed like a really cool guy. And he let me park there. Stay with me. Man, everything out here is just so beautiful. The sky, the sun. We got some vultures up ahead flying above us, or a condor, not sure what that is. All right, guys, I'm approaching this vehicle. I thought this is a Dodge Dakota from down below, but this is actually a Ford F-250 Super Duty. King Ranch edition. I see the King Ranch emblems there. Wow, there's someone's sunglasses sitting right here. Look at this. Man, this thing looks like it's not that old, like it's been dumped here recently. Look at these sunglasses sitting here. Yeah, I say Ford F-250, F-350. I say King Ranch edition just because the logo's on the side. Guys, look at this. It took a sawzall and just cut the door hinge off. Look at that. That was done with a sawzall. I swear white's the best color on vehicles. It just looks so clean. Like this truck looks so clean sitting here. You know, if this thing was black, it would be looking like all dirty and stuff, you know? Shows the dust and dirt on them. I'm not sure how this vehicle got pushed into this rock, but we're gonna pop the hood here in a minute. So I don't see a vent sticker. Actually, there is a vent sticker on the frame down here. You know what, guys? I forgot to take a picture of that VIN on that Honda. Looks like I'm walking back over there. But yeah, let's look inside the engine. Here's a door that's been peppered with buckshot, some type of shotgun. Guys, there is no engine in here. There's nothing in here. Look at this. They took a sawzall and cut the front of the core support right there, and this side, just to get the engine out of here. Holy cow, they even cut the frame. Look at this. Where my foot is, the frame's cut by about 18 inches on each side of a length. The whole, so that what they did is they cut the frame so they didn't have to unbolt the engine, I guess. Cut the core support and just somehow pulled out the engine. This is crazy. Alright guys, I'm gonna take a picture of this. Stay with me. Alright guys, this gets kind of tricky. I've been hiking for about 10 minutes since we left the other vehicles. And you get to a point right here where it looks like you're supposed to go straight. There's a trail that goes straight up. My GPS is sending me this way. What I like about this trail, you can tell no one's been here only but this motorcycle lately. That trail, there's footprints everywhere. So a lot of these hidden gems, guys, you have to go to places that not a lot of people travel to, and they're a lot harder to get to. Let's see what happens here. All right, guys, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. How in the hell is there a bulldozer out here? And to answer that question, I think at one time there was a road, and once they stopped traveling on it, it grew back in. This could be possibly it, the one we're walking on. I'm not really sure. Guys, I'm trying to keep my eyes on the ground. I don't want to step on a snake. All right, we're getting to an area where there is no more trail. So I don't know how actually the bulldozer got out here. It could have came from a different direction. I just don't know. But in life, I stopped trying to figure things out that I sometimes lose sleep over, and just try to think about them another day. Because I don't know how a bulldozer got up this. I'm sure it could climb it, but look at this area we're getting into up in here. I don't know. Could a bulldozer climb that? I'm sure it probably could. Let's keep rolling. I'm taking a breather. Such a beautiful day here in Southern California. This is another reason I carry trekking poles with me now. When I hike up areas like this where it's all rock, I'm going like this. Because if there's a snake there, it's gonna rattle, and I'm not gonna step on it or get bit by it, even though I have the the boots on to protect me, but there's been instances where there's been times where people have gotten bitten over the length of the boot, got bit in the kneecap area, so you just don't know. Eyes on the ground. And yes, this place has rattlesnakes, guys. I've actually seen them in some of my other videos. We're getting to the area up here where it flattens out up here. Guys, I'd like to take a moment and thank Desert Adventures. He's the one that gave me the lead on this vehicle and this piece of machinery. If it wasn't for him, we wouldn't be filming this right now because I would have never known about it. Man, that's a good place for rattlesnakes to hide. Down in there, look. Oh my God. I could just imagine up here in the summertime, they're probably everywhere. What a cool area, look at this. It's all rock. If I was into camping and sleeping at night, I think I would come right here because this is absolutely amazing. I think at the end of this video, we'll set the drone up right here because this is just so cool. Wow. Guys, and in the distance, I could see the bulldozer, and the thing is huge. I can't believe how big it is. This is gonna be so cool. Stay with me, let's get over there. Guys, this is unbelievable. Look at that thing up there. There's a caterpillar up there. How? Why? It's up here. I don't know. But this is just amazing. Let's go down there and crawl up to it. One thing I'll point out is I don't think a lot of people come here. Reason is I don't see footprints. I'm sure people know about it, but I don't think the general community knows about it that lives in this area. Man, I want to really get up there, take pictures while the sun's up. Look, here's a piece of the bucket right here. Or piece of something. There's some type of attachment right here. Big heavy piece of, I don't know what it is, but I want to hurry and get up there because the sun's about to drop, and I want to take pictures because the sunlight's going to be perfect right now. Yeah, there's coyote poop everywhere up here. Either that or mountain lion. I haven't seen a lot. A lot of poop. Just look at that. In the middle of the mountains. That is so cool. Guys, this thing's sitting on a incline. This thing is massive. Look at this. Here's my trekking poles to give you guys an idea of how large this thing is. Holy cow. This is so cool. Oh wow, look. The track's actually broken, but someone could have been taking this thing apart the whole time it's been up here. You know, vandals. They could have took a pin out or something. Guys, actually, where's the engine of this thing? I mean, these are the cylinders of the Rams, but oh, the engine's right here. And they've been tearing this thing apart, baby. Holy cow. Guys, you gotta really watch your step. I'm talking to myself, not you guys. But have people been stripping this motor this whole time? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 14-cylinder Caterpillar engine. See the part of the track that fell right there? Alright guys, I'm going to tell you guys a rumor. And this is just a rumor. I'm not going to say who I heard it from. This bee's not liking that I'm here. I heard the guy driving this back in the day crashed and perished here, but I don't know if it's true. I don't know. I don't know. Oh my God. But I know what I'm going to do right now. I'm going to take pictures before the sun drops. The sun's about to drop any minute. Look, the sun's right there. We're going to lose it any minute, so I'm going to take as many pictures as possible. Stay with me. Guys, you got to use extreme caution when you're out here. I'm sure I've said that a million times, but you know, you can't say it enough. I think I'm gonna go to the other side because we haven't filmed over there yet. Stay with me. All right, guys, we have about 4 hours of daylight left, which is good. We have all the time in the world. I'm just looking over every inch of this thing and try not to fall off of it. That's the main thing. There's some numbers here on the engine. 4W8935. Imagine what it would take to get this thing out. Just imagine. Just look how thick this metal is where my hand is. And that'll tell you right there. This thing ain't going nowhere. Alright guys, let's go to the back of it. We haven't checked out the back. We'll go to the back, send the drone in the air, and call it a day. Stay with me. Guys, I was wondering why there's so many bees around me. There's some water. Inside this broken part here, and the bees are coming inside and drinking the water. Alright guys, now we're at the back of it. Here's the track that fell. But I believe people have been coming out here over the years and stripping this thing. I don't know what for. I don't know how you get the parts out. Like I said, the guys, there could have been a road out here at one time. And you might have been able to drive up to this. I'm not really sure. But now with all the new houses and everything around, they could have closed those roads off. But I took a lot of pictures. I'm just so amazed on how heavy everything is. Absolutely amazing. I was really having a chill moment watching the bees right there. That was really cool. It's up in here. This is like a rear. Someone took the rear, I guess, hub apart. And that's how the engine dropped out of the front. So people have been taking parts over the years, but not anymore because there's no more roads out here. Only like hiking trails. All right, guys, peace out. Reporting to you live from Menifee, California. I just looked at my GPS one last time. This exact location we're standing in is actually in Menifee, California. At first, I thought it was, I think it's called Homeland or Romo Land. I'm not really sure, but we're in Menifee, California. According to this exact location of this tractor. Reverse Rocket TV, guys. Peace out. See you guys in probably a week or so. I try to post videos every 7-8 days. Peace, guys.
Do, 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 do.